Camp of night 2. Down there was home. Brush with wildlife. Kind of a marmot. Maybe it's a whistle pig. Whistle at me. Whistle. Just cruising right by this meadow. Up a hill. Waking the legs up. Got a technical issue. Brian's MacGyvering it currently. He's experiencing some rubbing in the wrong place. Won't go into any other details. Saturday morning, I gotta give a big shout out to my friend and head cross country and D crew coach, Matt Ginrich, for letting me borrow his bike. I don't even have a bike to do this. This is my first bike packing trip ever. What? It's like shooting a 30-point buck right out of the gate. But I couldn't have done it without you, Matt. I appreciate you so much and all you do for all the kids and my sons. And thanks for letting me use your bike. I love you, man. Thanks. Tree tunnel, sorta. We will live up to the errors of our ways. We made a navigational blunder. We missed a right turn and rolled right by one of our peaks, Dakota. So now we're backtracking up a hill. Such is life, man. You just gotta roll with it. Now we're on the right path to Dakota. Oh, Dakota. Oh, Dakota. Oh, Dakota. Oh, Dakota. We done did it. Another one done, Dakota. 7198 in the books. The view from up here in Dakota. It's worth the trip, people. I've never been up here before, but Bear Mountain is just right over that hill. You can see the towers. Number 6. There's Harney way over there. King of the world! There's Harney Peak, way out there, center camera. We are at top of Green Mountain, looking off to the east. I'd suggest coming here. This is the high point for Green Mountain. This route takes you right by all these flowers.
Descending from Green Mountain, a little off-road, off-trail.
The adventuresome part of this trek, a hike-a-bike section. Don't you get your laces caught up in your spokes. No. Rip your feet clear off. Mount Meadow. Today's lunch stop. We're in the Mountain Meadow store. Well, we're right by Deerfield Lake. On full bellies, we're making this big uphill push after just eating. Come on, boys! You got a kid! It's all uphill from here. I'm coming up with a song for Brian while I'm pushing my bike. This goes to the Gilligan Island soundtrack. The kid was a mighty cycling man, a rider brave and true. He took Ken and Lance on a 3-day tour. A 3-day tour. The Black Hills were getting rough. We thought Ken might get lost, but instead we got to hike up the hills and push our bike in the dust. Push our bikes in the dust. There's the dust. We've literally been pushing our bikes up this hill for what seems like 30 minutes. We got running water on the route. I mean, this is gone from like clouds are building. Let's see if we get wet. Here's a shot of the heavens. These guys started. The cows think they're gonna feed them. No, the fence has stopped them from coming any further. I don't know if you can see, it's raining. What's that song? Have you ever seen the rain on a sunny day? Here at Oatman Spring, it is running. There is water, trickle. Then down there is a little dugout. Piped it. It's 4:15 Saturday. We're in search of the last of the peaks for today. Crow's Nest Peak. Found it. Does that say 1912? Here we are. We made it. There's the marker. There's Ken. He made it. There's a water source on the top of Crow's Nest Peak. Crow's Nest Lake. The new name for these rocks in the trail. South Dakota cobblestone. I found a morel mushroom, John. I don't think I'm gonna eat it. It looks past its prime. Tonight's campsite at Bulls Canyon Road. I'm back in this little area. Ken and Brian are down that way. Tonight's meal is ramen with some mashed potatoes, chicken, onions, and some nuts in there. No sunset yet, but it's getting close. I just hiked up this big hill for you people so you could see the views. We're camped on Bulls Canyon Road, right off the side of the road.